Hey y'all, William Vinson here. Um, just joined something today because the intriguing sound of it all, being able to listen to at least 15 um, 6 and 7 figure earners on how they're making their money using ClickFunnels as an affiliate of ClickFunnels. So, and you get, I don't know, paid on your car and things like that. But anyway, they're giving you their ways of doing it. And if you look here, I'm going to show you this is called the affiliate bootcamp. This is free too, by the way. You don't have to pay for it. It goes for 100 days. What you would do is talk. These people are answering what you would do each day for the next 100 days until you were full time. Now Russell's got a video in the front of it. It don't say nothing. It's just he's showing you up on cards and stuff, I guess. But anyway, it goes down to some of these people down here, and you can look at who they are. Steve Larson used to work for ClickFunnels. Even he was the funnel builder there, and some of the names you might recognize them of the people that give how they're doing it, how they're um, approaching their sales and making enough sales with just ClickFunnels to be able to get not just it replaces their whole income, but they're also getting a car paid for too. I think they just make the payments, the monthly payments is what ClickFunnels does. I don't know about that. I probably won't never get that far, but this is interesting hearing how they've done it. I'm only on day 2, I think, right now. Here's my thing. So I've listened to Steve. I've listened to him a lot. He's on the One Funnel Away challenge. He's a pretty good guy. Kind of hilarious too. He's like us, you know. And of course, he does a lot of drawing on his whiteboard back there. And Dave Gambrell and Rachel Peterson. Now, I don't know. Steve's, in my opinion, you're going to have to know a bunch of people. Influencers is the way he's doing it. And he lays it all out here for you where you can follow his blueprint, I guess, if you want to call it that. It's what it is, technically. But you can follow his blueprint and you can make a ton of money. And there's some good ideas he's got in there, too. And then Gambrel and Rachel got different kinds of ideas. Now, I'm not too much into social media, but she's a social media marketer. And, you know, I was looking through the names down in the list, and I came across this name, Marley Baird. And Marley Baird's one of their funnel builders, too. And she does hers on YouTube. And here's the YouTube thing, but look at the videos she's got in Canva. How many of y'all know how to do Canva pretty good? How to create a YouTube channel, how to make money on Facebook, how to script your YouTube video, things like this. Now, we are all doing this. I mean, somehow or another, we're all doing this. And here's somebody that's using her channel for ClickFunnels to make affiliate. I'm going to click on one of her videos. I hadn't done this yet, but I'm going to click on one just to see what her description looks like. Because you remember it's all in our description. So subscribe to my channel, and every Thursday I'll show you how to make impact-driven, profit-focused content instead of just noise. Attend my free webinar. She's got a webinar, so obviously, you know, she's a little bit further advanced than I am, definitely. Register for the free masterclass. leader handbook, social media tips. Got a lot of, and those are YouTube videos. You can see the links. So she's putting her YouTube videos in her description so they can come down here and look for that too. Here you got I don't know if you've ever heard of Active Campaign. Rich Guzman, he talks about that a lot. I hadn't tried it yet neither, but that's a good idea there. Optimize your videos with TubeBuddy. I use TubeBuddy sometimes, not very much. And look, right down to the bottom of everything, ClickFunnels 14-day free trial. So, just thought you might be interested in learning this. Going to the affiliate boot camp. Kind of messed that up, didn't I? And listen to these guys. This is free. Doesn't cost you anything, and you can learn how somebody else is making money. So I hope you enjoyed that. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all those good things. And we'll talk to you again another day.